Today we're on farm with Tony Walters, one of our Fonterra farmers, and really just looking at how he's using digital to make a difference on farm and in his operation here. So Fonterra's been investing in the last few years increasingly in digital, and I guess it's really all about how do we add value on farm and make our farmers' businesses more successful.
We supply milk that's supplied to a world market, and if we can prove that we're farming sustainably and correctly for the environment, and we can use technology to prove that, I would like to see we get a better payout because of that.
So being a cooperative, we do have an ability to reach our farmers quite directly via multiple channels. We let them know on the website. We are constantly updating them at our events or through our emails and so on, and just really using the network that we have to make sure that we're sharing the capability of the cooperative and the information that we hold.
As a farmer, as an employer, we're getting older and we have to encourage a new generation into farming, and the new generation is technology savvy, and we've got to make our working environment exciting to get this new generation into farming.
One of the apps that we've been piloting at the moment is really collecting more of the information that our farmers currently have to write down in a physical book, which we call our dairy diary. That's certainly one of the ones that we've got. We've had some real good feedback, but once again, how do we're taking that feedback on board to refine it, but really the ability to collect the information that they would otherwise have to have someone come out on farm and physically inspect, and being able to just really take the burden away from our farmers.
I think Tony is probably one of the more progressive. He's a pretty big advocate of technology because he's seen it actually make a difference to his business. I think over time, as technology becomes more accessible and more affordable, more farms are going to take it on board and adopt it.
And increasingly we've been getting our farmers involved in the development of the technology and the apps. So it's really that whole farmer-led design piece. What's going to work on farm, and really what is the information that really makes their lives easier.
The return we're getting at the moment is basically being able to make better decisions based on the information we've got available. We were using upwards of 15 kilos of dry matter to produce 1 kg of milk solid. And through using technology and learning about technology and the environment, and monitoring is the best thing I would say, we've got scales on our equipment now, so we're able to monitor what we feed the cows more accurately.
Farmers are probably greater adopters of technology than you think. They're all very innovative and quite interested in what they can do to make a difference to the way they run their businesses. There's so many sensors and Internet of Things and digital solutions and apps available for our farmers. It's really the role Fonterra is going to increasingly play, from my perspective, is how do we cut through all of that noise and work with our farmers to get the best solutions. So I guess that's a really key space for us going forward.